Fabulous Outdoors here in the woods, and today we're gonna be talking about camera setting for wildlife photography. Try not to speak too loud because I'm just putting myself in this position because I hear some sounds in the woods over there, probably deer. Anyway, socket setting, today we're gonna be working in manual setting, and as you can see, so manual mode 1/1000 of a second, and f5.6 is the widest aperture of this lens. Automatic ISO, so it will adjust the light accordingly by bumping a little bit up the ISO. I do one shot because when the animal is going to be standing over there looking at me, it's not moving, and so I realized I got many more shots in focus when I do just one shot. And that's it. Shutter speed depending on the light. If the light increases, I increase the shutter speed. So with this kind of setting, so far I have had quite good chance in capturing them. So you can adjust manually shutter speed, and everything else is mainly done by the ISO. For a lens, if you want to do some wildlife photography, no less than at least 300 millimeters long. So today I'm using this Tamron 150 millimeter to 600. It looks very long, but it's all plastic. It's all the hood. It's quite long. So it's 150 to 600 millimeters, which is not very bright. It's not the sharpest lens in the world, but it's a good compromise. You can find in even second hand on those auction sites for quite cheap. And it goes from f5.6 to f6.3. So from 150 millimeters to 400 you can shoot in f5.6. Then it closes down to 6.3. It depends on the light, you know. As I said before, the light you use the ISO to play up. Of course, the more light the better, but in the woods often there's not much light, so unless you can invest for a much brighter lens, an f4 and f2.8, but they are so expensive. This is a good starting point anyway. I'm getting some quite good results with this. The best of the tips that I can give you is try to rest your camera onto something. Even if you don't have a tripod with you, just rest on a piece of wood, because holding still the camera is very important to get sharp photos. And so even just like a tree like this, fallen tree, can be a good point of resting your camera on it, and you get much less shake, you know, so much more quality of your images. Sometimes I find a natural tripod like this one to rest my lens. See, that's it, and that's a great spot. See? Camera is still, and you can really hold it and capture your animal. Next video I'll try to footage some video as well, filming from the GoPro. I just attached the GoPro mount on top of the hot shoe of the camera, so I'll be able to point the GoPro in the same direction of the lens and hopefully show you live as I hopefully capture some animals. This is where they sleep. So okay, just a quick tip today: try to use manual mode, automatic ISO, and adjust shutter speed to at least 1/1000 of a second, so in case some wildlife bumps in front of you, you're gonna be able to catch it. I hear something cracking. See you next time. If you hope you like your video, you can click like below, subscribe to the channel for more of this outdoor stuff. If you have any question regarding camera setting, what the best setting to capture wildlife, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to reply as quick as possible.